I loved the moon. It was my favorite thing to look at in the night sky. I would stare at it every night from my bedroom window, feeling a sense of wonder and curiosity. It looked like a giant, glowing cheese wheel, with its craters and shadows creating a magical landscape. How I wished I could go there, to explore its surface and see what secrets it held.
One night, Ben whispered his wish to the brightest star he could find, hoping it would hear him. He wished with all his might, believing in the magic of the night sky. And then, he snuggled into bed. Ben closed his eyes, feeling a sense of excitement and anticipation. He pictured himself wearing a big white spacesuit, ready for an incredible journey. He imagined bouncing high in the air on the moon, feeling the lightness of lunar gravity. What an adventure that would be, to travel through space and explore new worlds.
As I started to drift off to sleep, something magical happened. It felt like a dream coming to life. My bed began to shake, gently at first, then more vigorously. The room filled with a low rumble, like the sound of distant thunder. I opened my eyes wide. What was going on? Was my wish coming true?
Ben's bed started to rise from the floor. It wasn't a bed anymore. It was a spaceship. Buttons and levers were everywhere. A big red button flashed in front of him. It said, "Launch."
Suddenly, a shiny helmet appeared on my head. I was wearing a real astronaut suit. I grinned. My wish was coming true. I was going to the moon.
Ben took a deep breath. He was a tiny bit scared, but mostly excited. He reached out and pressed the big red button.
3, 2, 1, blast off!
The spaceship rumbled and shook. Ben held on tight as they zoomed up into the night sky. Through the spaceship window, the stars looked closer than ever before. They twinkled like a million fireflies.
I had never seen so many stars. They were all different colors too. Red, blue, yellow, and green. It was like flying through a giant rainbow made of starlight.
Ben floated around his spaceship as it soared through the darkness. He felt light as a feather. It was like being on the best roller coaster ride ever.
Welcome to the Sea of Stars, Ben. Your adventure has just begun.
As Ben journeyed through space, he saw something amazing. A comet with a long, fiery tail streaked past his window. It was like a giant firework sparkling across the night sky.
Wow.
Ben gasped. He held his breath as the comet zipped by. It was even more beautiful than the stars.
Hey there, little explorer, enjoying the view?
Soon, Ben spotted a big, round object in the distance. It was glowing a soft white color. Ben's heart beat faster. He knew what it was.
The moon!
But the best part was, Ben could jump so high. He bounced and leaped across the moon's surface. It was like being a superhero. Every leap felt like flying, and he could see the vast grey landscape stretching out beneath him. The low gravity made everything feel light and effortless. The moon was covered in grey dust. It was like walking on a giant sandy beach. Each step left a clear footprint, a mark of his journey. The dust sparkled slightly under the sunlight, giving the surface an almost magical appearance. Ben's spaceship landed softly on the moon. Ben couldn't wait to explore. He put on his moon boots and stepped outside. The boots made a satisfying crunch with each step, and he felt like a true explorer, venturing into the unknown.
This is amazing! The vastness of the moon and the silence around him made it feel like he was in a dream.
Ben bent down and picked up a rock. It was grey and dusty, just like the moon itself. Ben decided to keep it as a souvenir, a reminder of his magical trip to the moon. The rock felt cool and smooth in his hand, a tangible piece of his adventure.
Welcome to the moon, young traveler. Take me with you, and remember this place. The voice seemed to echo in the vast emptiness, adding to the surreal experience.
I will, I promise. Ben felt a sense of responsibility and excitement, knowing that this moment would stay with him forever.
After an amazing adventure on the moon, it was finally time for young Ben to go home. He had seen so many incredible things and had so many stories to tell. He climbed back into his trusty spaceship, feeling a mix of excitement and sadness. He fastened his seatbelt, ready for the journey ahead. With a gentle hum, the spaceship lifted off the moon's surface, leaving behind the craters and the vast, silent landscape. It began its journey back to Earth, a place that now seemed both familiar and new. Through the small window, Ben watched as the Earth grew larger and larger. The sight was mesmerizing. The planet was a beautiful swirl of blue oceans and green lands surrounded by fluffy white clouds. It looked like a precious gem floating in the vastness of space.
Home, sweet home. There was no place like it.
Soon, Ben's spaceship landed gently back in his bedroom, as if it had never left. The familiar surroundings brought a sense of comfort. Everything was just as he had left it, from his toys to his books. Except now, there was a special moon rock on his bedside table, a memento from his incredible journey. It glowed faintly in the dark, casting a soft light. Ben smiled, feeling a sense of pride and wonder. He would never forget his magical trip to the moon, the adventures he had and the things he learned.
Best adventure ever. He couldn't wait to see what other adventures awaited him in the future.